What's going on, Daryl? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny Seo. So we're going to take a quick look at your website, see what's going on, and see what we can do. So right off the bat, there is a ton that you do have on here. Financing, how it works, about us, contractors, everything. And then 24-hour emergency, which is excellent. So obviously somebody needs to be on standby for that. But licensed and insured contractors, which is great. And then obviously, welcome to Homepro Masters. These are the services that you have now. This is great. The only thing I have here is if you do have, which I've been to the service page over here, and it does show a whole bunch of links to other pages when I click on that. These should all be links as well, and they're not. So kind of just showing what you're doing, rooming conditions, solar and electrical panels, excellent. Why choose us? Reviews, and then contact us to learn more, learn more. Our recent projects, which are very nice, you can view more about that, and then the About Us page. And then we're done. So here's the thing. It looks great and all, but I don't see, wait, I do. Never mind. Content. Content is not on your website. There's nothing here. You're not talking about the projects. You're not talking about your services. You're not doing any of that. So people, what they really want to do is they want to come on your website. It's a tool. They want to go to the next thing. They want to see what it is you're offering. Financing, and they want to read a little bit about what you're doing. Or actually pressure washing. Hey, we use X, Y, and Z to get your homes. Pressure washing in Virginia Beach, blah, blah, blah. People, because again, you want to get them to, the next thing and then have them quickly move on to calling you or to, sending you an email or something. But then forget that right now. Let's take a look at the back end over here. Right, so this is kind of how Google ranks you, right? So you have a UR rating, which is basically your homepromasters.com, and it gives you a 15 in strength wise, and then you have a 3.3 trust rating with Google. Now, all of this is done by backlinks. Now, you do have 136. Now, backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else that somebody else can click on it, and when it returns to you, it's a referring domain. Not all of them are created equal. Some are more spammy than others, like a BuzzFeed or Wikipedia page. So you always want to be careful in where you place your backlink. And then obviously there's something called an organic keyword. Now, a keyword is what somebody might put into Google to find your services or someone like you. So let's just do something that you do offer, painters. You do painting in Virginia Beach. So this is a keyword, but it's also a buyer intent keyword because somebody is looking for a painter in Virginia Beach area. So right off the bat, we got an ad for, certain painters, to get their GMB updated. But then we have all of this over here. We have 30 to 40% of all people will click on one of these three sites. This guy doesn't have a website, so he's actually losing out a lot. So it's probably going to be these two guys that they click on. And then we have the Yelp as, this is your start of your organic search, which is anyone can rank you as long as you know what you're doing and you're doing the right stuff. But your biggest competition is going to be the Weed Brothers. So let's take a look at them, at least for this specific thing that you're trying to, one of the services you do offer. Because I notice you do offer quite a bit of different things because you contract. Now, if you're doing it where you bid jobs, then I don't know if there's anything I can help you with. But if you're doing it for more residential side, then yes, I can. You're definitely missing out on a lot of different things. Now, for some reason, Google isn't really responding to me, so it could be my internet went out. Let's try that one more time. But anyway, I did take a look at their website. It's pretty solid, but let's take a look at the back end of their website because I can't show you what their website looks like because they're being annoying with that, which is actually going to hurt them a lot. So we're just going to go over here, look at the back end. So they have an 18 for their, Wade Bros Painting, co.com. Anyway, they also have a DR rating of 0.3, so they're not doing too hot in that aspect. They have 413 backlinks, only 40 referring domains. Probably a lot of these are spammy simply because they only have a 0.3. But they also do have 124 organic keywords, which means they have 124 variations of what somebody might type into Google to find them. So let's see what they are. We got Painters Virginia Beach, volume of 350, 41 traffic, position number 4. They also, I think that's what I put in. So 350 people a month are searching for this service. They're getting 41 of them, so a little over 10% because they're on the 4th position, right? Now, if you look throughout, they're doing really well with that because house painting is what someone's looking for in Virginia Beach. 150, they're getting 10% on the position number 3. Exterior painting Virginia Beach, 100 people searched for it, they're getting 18 for number 2. Let's see, did it load yet? It did not. All right. So I can't really show you what their website looks like, but this is the main point is kind of looking at those keywords. So for someone like you, Daryl, Honestly speaking, you need content, right? You got a lot of pictures, you got a lot of quotes, but you don't, not quotes, but like headers, but you don't have any content on your homepage, and that's gonna go really much against you. So big thing would be getting content, about 1,500, 2,000 words of content on your homepage alone. And then on top of that, in that content, you need keywords. You need to be talking about the services you offer. And again, if you're just doing commercial where you bid on jobs, there's not gonna do to help you out because you go to the job. But if it's you're looking to do residential, you're looking to do, everything like that, then yes, you are going to need those types of keywords. And for all the services you have, that's a lot of keywords you need. But that just increases your chances of getting jobs. And then on top of that, we need backlinks, right? Yeah, your UR rating is good. We got to get your DR rating up. So we got to find out the good backlinks. Now, with all the services you do, that means we just find out all your competitors, take all the good backlinks they're using, and add it to you. And that's it. Well, I really hope this was helpful. If you do have any questions, Daryl, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.